Good morning, students. How are you today? Fine? That's good. So, for the activity of today, I would like you to have the books ready because we are going to have another activity. So, let's start.
Okay, now we are going to talk about one country in this unit. As you can see on page 90, we have a country. The country is Chile, right? Yes, we have the flag on some pages here in the book, some pictures as well. And at the same time, I will show you the situation and the map of this country. Yes, the borders are in the east of Argentina, northeast with Bolivia, and the north with Peru, right? Also, this country is divided in regions, right? This is because of the form of the country in territory, right? A very interesting place to visit if you want to go. Yes, I had the opportunity to go. So if you had, go for it. Don't doubt. Go there and have a very nice experience. As well, yes, as I told you, I visited this country as well. And one very important aspect is this is a personal picture I have. And what I wanted to show you is this when you visit this country, when I visited for the first time, I took the picture of this. It says hazard zone, tsunami hazard zone, yes. So it says that we have to take care if we have this phenomenon, right? The tsunami. We have people have 1 or 2 hours to go to the hilltop to see to wait the tsunami area, right? And this is a personal picture of me. It's not important, but as I told you, it's a very interesting country to visit. As well, is the most important aspect in the north region is or are the telescopes. There are many telescopes in this area of the north of Chile, in Atacama Desert, and we can see these telescopes in this picture or in your books. In your books, we have other types of telescopes as well. Okay, so if you don't have more things to show, let's see, or let's go on page 90. Open your books. Let's go to our page. It says culture. Read and label the map using the highlighted names in the text. This is the first instruction. As you can see, we have the Chile, the country, the flag, and we have the text. You have the text, yes, as you can see in bold letters. The bold letters in this article is Atacama Desert, the Andes, Santiago, and Cape Horn. Yes, esas son las palabras en negrilla. Atacama Desert, the Andes, Santiago, and Cape Horn. And the instruction says, read and label the map using the highlighted names in the text. So you have to complete on next page. So we have in the map, the same map I showed you, and we have the 4 spaces. But if you want to fill these spaces, you have to read the whole text in red color. It says, I will read for you. Please follow the reading in your texts so we can as well learn some pronunciation words. Chile, Chile extends along most of the western coast of South America. It has a population of 15 million people. The main language is Spanish. Chile extends over a long distance north to south, so it has many different climates. In the north, there is the Atacama Desert, the driest place on earth. Chile also has mountains. The Andes form the border between Chile and its neighbors Peru, Bolivia, and Argentina. The center of the country has a mild climate, and most people live there, in around the capital, Santiago. The south is cold and wet. Chile ends at Cape Horn, the most southern point in South America. Cape Horn is a place that is famous for its rough seas and dangerous passage by sea. So you have the highlighted names and you have to complete on page 91. Complete. The image of on screen is only for reference. Please refer to your book. Now, number 2. On instruction number 2, we have the following instruction. Look at the photos, then listen and answer the questions. Please look at the photos and then listen and answer the questions. We have? Okay. Question number 1. What part of Chile is this? 2. Are they telescopes or radars? 3. What is the purpose of this project? So please answer the questions. Listen, please.
Track 21.
Renata, we're in the Atacama Desert in Chile. Tell us about it.
Well, the climate here is very dry. The Atacama Desert is in the north of Chile. The desert is 1,000 square kilometers, and nobody lives here.
And the Atacama Desert is the home of ALMA, an international project to study the stars. Renata, why the Atacama Desert?
Because it's perfect for astronomy. It's very dry, so there aren't many clouds in the sky. The altitude is perfect. Also, there is very little light pollution.
Light pollution?
Cities and towns generate a lot of light, and it's impossible to see the stars. But that's not a problem here.
How many telescopes do you have?
We have 10 enormous and very powerful telescopes here.
And this is an international project?
Yes, we need the knowledge of experts from all around the world. Chile works with scientists from countries in Asia, Europe, as well as the US and Canada. Alma's work in Chile is an example of global collaboration. People can do amazing things when they work together.
Okay. You have to answer these questions. What part of Chile is this? 2. Are they telescopes or radars? Yes or no? Number 3. What is the purpose of this project? So if you didn't listen, please you have to listen again. Don't forget you have the CD in your books. So you can open the CDs and you can listen on track 21. We have another instruction next on number 3. It says that you have to listen again and correct the false information in each sentence. So there are false information. The desert is 10 square kilometers and nobody lives here. 2. The Atacama Desert is the home of ALMA, an international project to study the fauna. The fauna? Okay. 3. It's very dry, so there aren't many birds in the sky. We have 10 tiny and very powerful telescopes here. 5. We need the money of experts from all around the world. Alma's work in Chile is an example of national collaboration. So what we are going to do here is to correct the false information in each sentence, in these 6 sentences. Okay, let's go. Next page. Next page, we have other activities, like for example, a game here. Yes, it's a game. Think fast. Try to solve the puzzle on your own. Yes, this figure, suppose it's a cow. This is a cow. It has its body, horns, legs, and a tail. Move 2 matches so that the cow is looking to the right. Suppose are matches. Matches in Spanish son fósforos, ¿no? Palitos de fósforo. So we have to move 2 matches so that the cow is looking to the right. Now it's looking to the left. Move to the right. You have to do that. Five. Do the puzzle above in small groups. Check your answers on page 96. Then answer the questions. ¿Qué vamos a hacer aquí, chicos? En el cuaderno ustedes colocan el subtítulo Think Fast y ustedes por favor pegan en su cuaderno los palitos de fósforo, agarran palitos de fósforo y los pegan con pegamento y luego la instrucción mover los 2 fósforos para conseguir que la vaca esté mirando a la derecha, dice, ¿no? Entonces, forma 1 y forma 2. ¿Ok? Do please in your file, mejor, en su archivador, mejor, ¿ok? En su archivador. No se olviden colocar página 91, page 91, think fast, and then you glue the matches, okay? Number 5. Do the puzzle above in small groups. Check your answer on page 96, then answer the question. This instruction is not possible because we are not in the classroom, right? So we are going to do is to do in your file, okay, en su archivador. Answer these questions after the glue, okay? Was it easy to find a solution on your own or in groups? What advantages are there in working in groups? What do you need to work effectively in groups? What do you need to work effectively in groups? Answer these 3 questions in your file, please, after the matches. And with this activity, we conclude the activity of today. So I hope you like this lesson about this country, our neighbor, and that's all. Goodbye.